Hello, my name is Levan, and today I want to teach how to solve this question, this Tic Tac Toe game. And I will explain in English and then explain in Mandarin first. And in here, I would like to explain when we want to win this Tic Tac game, we need to solve this issue by there are the 8 ways to win. For example, if you go rows 1, 2, 3, and if you go column 1, 2, 6, 3, so that will be 6 ways. And then you can go diagonal, mainly diagonal, and then secondary diagonal. So the total would be the 8 solutions. So I will teach how to solve this 8 solution and then explain step by step. At the beginning, we have 2 players, so we have to announce our 2 players become 0, and we times 8 because each player have the 8 ways to win. And then we put index in range, which is the from our length of moves, how many steps we walk, and if each move includes the rows and column, so we put here and put move and then put index. And then next we have to design players. If this index percentage 2 is equal to 0, that means because for 0 and 2 and 4 is the A player, so we can call our player is A, and else player will be B. And now come to our 8 way to win. The first 3 ways to win is go by row. So here we can put our player and rows. If one rows in this position, then we can count 1. And if player in a column, we also can count 1. And because this a way to win, so the first way is 1, 2, 3, and for column will be 4, 5, 6. So here we need to plot 3 and plus 1. Okay, and then for diagonal situation will be rows equal to column. In this situation, our player 6 can count 1. Once we count to the 3, that means we get the line, then we can win. And the other situation is secondary diagonal. So would be the columns equal to 2 minus columns, like this and this in this position. So our player 7 can count 1. Then here we can get our we can move our all step into the 2 array. One is A and one is B. They represent the A player and B player, and they accumulate scores. So now we have to calculate how many scores they have. So we use the in range and length A here. Then count if any accumulate number is equal to 3, then we can return A player win. If Vi is equal to 3, then we can return the V win. And we have to consider some edge conditions. For example, if the length of the move is equal to 9, that means last this game doesn't have any winner, so we return draw. And else, if not, return A, B, and draw. Then that means these games keep going. So we just return pending. Okay, let's go run this game. Here is something wrong here. We put index. Oh, here we need to index. Okay. So we solve this problem. 在这个游戏之中，我们要解决一个圈圈叉叉的计算。那在圈圈叉叉要获胜的当中，我们可以将 A player 跟 B player 各设置一个有8个0的 array。那这个原因是因为每个每个玩家都有8个方法去获胜。那这8个方法怎么算呢？第一个是 row 可以数1、2、3，那 column 可以数4、5、6，然后斜对角7、8。通过这方法的话，我们就可以设置每个玩家都有8个0的累积分数。那当你每一个行累积到3的时候，那就代表你赢了这个游戏。所以呢，在一开始我们 for 进来 move 之后，我们可以把每一步都存在 row 跟 columns。那当第一个叉叉进来的时候，我们就可以将这里总共有8条方法，就是 row 的方法，在这个位置。0的位置，我们 row 就加1，那它的 column 的部分也会加1。那这里加3的原因，就是因为它 column 是在第3个位置开始算，因为我们0、1、2都是 row 的引法，然后4、5、6是 column， 所以我们这里对 column 会需要加3。那这对于斜对角线就是分别是 row 跟 column 等于，然后以及2减 column 这个位置。会对我们的第2斜对角线的累积分增加。那我们做一个 percentage 2，那是因为0、2、4是 player A， 那这个1跟3是 player B。通过这个方法，还有这三个方法去获胜的累积分数，我们全部整个 for 圈把 move 算完之后，我们就可以来计算，检查。A 或 B 哪个 player 有赢？如果没赢的话，那他的 move 如果达到9，那就是平手；如果没有，代表这盘棋还正在下。谢谢大家。